Okay, here we are talking about probably one of my favourite products. I'll tell you why. It's because it's a problem solver, and it's a huge problem out in the industry right now. I think 70% of homes around Melbourne or around Australia have pets, and there is always issues with pets. Even if your dog is the best trained dog or cat or ferret or whatever it might be you've got at your house, there's always going to be accidents at some stage. Okay, here we've got safe, natural cleaning product that actually not masks and camouflages the stain or an odour, but it actually breaks it down and removes it for good. Also used enormously within schools, within aged care facilities, childcare centres, and even domestically in the home. I've got 2 boys and I can tell you they often don't hit the target. The huge technology about this is the fact that it's a plant-based enzyme, not bacteria. What Enzyme Wizard is able to do is actually stabilise all the enzymes to work together in the one formula. With this, it doesn't matter if it's urine or if it's any other form of organic matter or dirt or filth that might be either on the carpet or on the concrete or on the synthetic grass. A lot of people are putting synthetic grass in due to the drought. The enzyme formula will break down all organic matter. So it might be blood, or it might be vomit from a dog or a cat, or even after a few too many drinks. You're always going to have something to break down, and the Enzyme Wizard range will break all organic matter down. The second part of the technology is the fact that this product here is pH neutral, which means it's safe. It's harmless. So you can be throwing it on the concrete if your dog has had an accident, or in the boys' toilets in the school, or in the shopping centre, or in the football stadium. The enzyme will actually go ahead and break down all the urine, all the faeces, but it's not going to leave any caustic smell behind, and it's all pH neutral, which means it's not going to damage the floor. If you might have flooring on your parquetry floor or lino floor or wooden floorboards, it's safe, it's natural, and it's not going to harm the floor. Talking about the third part of the technology is the fact that the Enzyme Wizard range is soap-free, and that's the future of cleaning. Often when you're cleaning and there's a soap-based product, there's always residue left behind. When you find that with urine soaked into the porous of concrete or grouting when you've got tiles, if you're using a soap-based product, the soap actually seals the urine, seals the odour down into the flooring. With the Enzyme Wizard range being soap-free and the unique surfactant, it allows the actual enzyme technology to actually follow the path of the urine into the porous of the concrete or the carpet and actually break it down naturally. And it doesn't just remove the odour, but it actually removes the stain as well. It's a dual action. It's actually great for actually training pets or things like that where you actually want to remove it altogether. If it's an old stain, it may need two applications. Depends on how bad the stain is. Great for use around concrete as well, outdoor paving. So it's actually an indoor and outdoor product. Okay, you can literally just spray it on the concrete and just walk away, because the enzymes will just sit there and keep working, breaking down all the filth, all the odour, and all the urine. Synthetic grass is a huge market. So many people have installed synthetic fibres instead of having grass. The problem is when animals go out and pee on that or drop what they do on there, it's very hard to clean that up if you can't use caustic products on the plastic fibres. Here you've got a safe product that you can just spray on and leave, and the enzymes do the work and break it all down for you. What it actually does also, it filters through into the drains and removes all the odour into the drains. So it's actually removing the odour wherever it is. It's very important to actually find out where the urine is, and you hit the target, you'll have the best results.